What's up guys, it's Dr. Brooks.
Dr. John with DSM Spine+Sport, another Movement Monday video.
This week we're continuing with the theme of strategies to address low back pain. Over the past 4 weeks we've addressed basically some hip immobility faults associated with low back pain. If you haven't got a chance to check out those videos, go ahead and take a peek at our YouTube page, you can check those out. But basically this week we're transitioning from that hip to the abdomen, and we're going to address some basically abdominal, core strengthening and stability pieces that we're going to institute for that low back.
That's right. So we're moving on from the hip mobility series to the abdomen strengthening series. We're going to start off with a protocol known as the Deadbug protocol. It's a 4-part series where we start with a static movement. If you can hold that for 45 seconds, progressing on to more dynamic parts. And I'll go over that here on the table. All right, so what we're going to do is laying on our back, looking like a dead bug here, legs are bent, arms are straight out front. Key here is keeping your core nice and tight and actually smashing or pressing your low back into the table. So I can't get my hand underneath there. There's no curve in my spine. It's nice and flat. Okay. So if I can hold this position nice and strong for 45 seconds, I can progress to the next part, which would be alternating my arms like so for 45 seconds. Progressing on from that, I would just do my legs. And then from there, I would do legs and arms alternating like this. So that wraps up the Deadbug protocol. I just want to reiterate the fact that I want you to keep your back nice and flat and your spine stable as you press your lumbar spine against the mat of the table. That's really going to ensure that the right muscles are being engaged when you're doing this exercise. If you haven't, look back at our old exercises for hip mobility. There's some really great techniques there, and we look forward to seeing you next week for another abdomen strengthening exercise.